Absolutely. Obviously, legislation and recommendation from OMB and just pushing the envelope a bit is something that we're embracing at the department. I think a lot of what you just mentioned is this concept of X as a service. We've turned about software and infrastructure, data, you name it, but this idea of shifting to applications and so forth and solutions as a service is something that's really strong at the department. There's clearly a strong link between virtualization and cloud computing, and at the Office of the CIO's application hosting environment, which is within our CIO office, we're providing facilities to support this architecture. In addition, a number of our lab facilities, they're actually directly tasked with advancing the state of computing, and obviously the work that they're doing is world class. From a social networking standpoint, the tools are in full force. We have Facebook, we have Twitter enabled on the desktops. We've been fortunate to have brought over recently Cami Croft, who was the White House new media director, and she has been instrumental in a proactive manner in just kicking off a new media explosion, if you will. And we have a public blog. It's blog.energy.gov that we have embraced, and it's very active, and folks are participating in that regard. And so, yeah, we're taking advantage of this idea of social media and these other technologies that sound sexier than they are, but these are the foundations, again, that we're building so that we can deploy the applications down the road. And one of the things that we're trying to focus on as we're building an IT strategic roadmap, which I've had the fortune to lead across the department recently, is focus not on the trend itself, but rather the mission value that such forces can provide, meaning that we are looking at what are those common services that we all need, regardless of the direction of you as a lab or as a program office, and simply say, if we can get past what we can accept in terms of what we need to do our business, and then look at what could be that innovative type of application or embrace that spirit that ultimately lets us push that a bit more. Because we're all in the business of trying to lower the cost of government, but at the same time, drive down that innovative path, and that's a balance we have to face every day.